In this video, we are going to look at how to set up privacy and security settings on your Facebook account. The security settings we are going to look at include devices you are logged in on, changing your password, setting up two-factor authentication, controlling third-party apps and alerts, trusted contacts, visible content on your profile, activity notifications, face recognition, timeline and tagging options, blocking people, location services and much more. First, go to the three lines in the bottom right of the Facebook app. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Scroll down to the Security section. Then tap on the Security and Login section. Here you will be able to customize settings on how and where your account is logged in. First, click on See All next to the title that says where you are logged in. This allows you to check the location of the devices your account is logged into. If you see a device or location that doesn't look right, you can log out of that session, or all sessions. To do this, click on the three dots to the right of the session in question. Then select the Log Out option. Alternatively, if you are unsure of your account security, click Secure Account to go through some important features. Once you have done that, return back to the Security and Login menu. If you believe you have a vulnerable password, tap Change Password. You will have to enter your current password to do this. Then select a strong and secure replacement. Once you have saved your new password, go back to the menu. Select the two-factor authentication option to add a second layer of security. Setting up two-factor authentication means every time you log in, you will be prompted to verify this login via a 6-digit code from either a text message or an authentication app. Once you have followed all the steps to set this up, return to the menu. The next section we are going to look at is Authorized Logins. Here is where you can control permissions for third-party apps. Once you have optimized permissions for these apps, go back to the menu and select Get Alerts about unrecognized logins. Here you can set up alerts for when your account is logged in on an unrecognized device. You can receive these via notifications, Messenger and emails. When optimizing your login settings, you can select 3 to 5 friends who you can contact if you get locked out of your account. To set this up, select Choose Trusted Contacts. Once you have finished adding your trusted contacts, return to the main menu. Scroll down to the Privacy section, then select Privacy Settings. This area enables you to edit who can see what on your account. Click on the Check a few important settings option for an account security overview. Go through the steps by clicking Next. You have the option to choose who sees your posts. There are 3 options: Public, Friends, or you can customize with Friends Accept. Then you can customize who sees your personal information on your profile. This includes things like your job history, education, birthday, and location. Then, you can see which apps have access to your account, and edit as necessary. Once this has been reviewed, return to the privacy settings. To ensure you understand all the basic privacy settings and to ensure you haven't missed anything, click Learn More with Privacy Basics. There are further options to customize under the Your Activity section. This includes things like who can see your future posts, who can see past posts, and the people, pages and lists you follow. Then, the next section is how people can find and contact you. This includes who can send you friend requests, see your friends list, find you via an email or mobile number. Now, go back to the privacy settings and select Face Recognition. This is where you can allow Facebook to recognize your face in images and tag you in them automatically. Return to the privacy menu and tap on Timeline and Tagging. Select Who can post on your timeline under the Timeline section. You should also take a look at the permissions for other people posting on your timeline and sharing your posts to their story. Then, we move on to the Tagging section where you can select who can see the posts you are tagged in on your timeline and who you want to add to audiences of posts you are tagged in. Then we move on to the final section, Review. This allows you to set preferences for reviewing tags before they appear live to the public. You are also given the option to review tags before they appear on your timeline. Once you have done this, return to the main privacy menu and select Public Posts. Here you can change the settings for who can follow you, who can see your followers on your timeline, who can comment on your posts, and who can comment on your profile information. Then, head back to the menu and select Blocking. Here you can add people to your block list, or review the current people you have already blocked. To block someone, click Add to Blocked List. Then, type their name into the search box and select their profile. Once you have finished blocking people, return to the privacy menu and select Location. This is the last area of your security and privacy settings you will need to address. Here you can allow Facebook to access your device location. Click Location Services. A pop-up will then appear confirming if you want to allow this. Tap on either Not Now or OK. There is also a Location History setting you can enable which will track where your device has been. To do this, you will need to enter your password for security purposes. You have now successfully optimized all your security settings on Facebook. Thanks for watching. For more video tutorials visit heroitsupport.com.